Hi guys, hope everybody's doing well. In today's video, I'm reviewing the trades that I took while I was live trading. In fact, if you like to join, I'm doing these live trading streams every afternoon during the New York Open. Today was the first one, but I would like to keep those live streams going because it keeps me more disciplined, and also I'm very focused when I'm trading and I'm recording the trades. So today's session was quite a bit volatile. My reading of the market wasn't the best, wasn't the greatest work by me. I took one stop loss, one stop profit, and two stop profit and one take profit. I will go through the trades that I took. I would explain the process that got me into those trades. So starting from the open, we had a strong sell-off, and this area was a previous area of interest, the POC of the last New York session, and I was looking for a long position. But as soon as this candle on the 1 minute chart closed, the next candle on the 1 minute skyrocketed 120 points, and I wasn't able to get in the trade. So I was waiting, and as soon as I saw this high breached by this candle with a strong bull bar, I mark up those zones because most of the times those zones give a potential re-entry test to go higher. So I was waiting for a pullback. Price reached this area, reached the zone that I marked up, but was too strong. The bear bar was too strong, so I waited. Price eventually breached the zone, made another bull bar. This could have been a short position. The reason why I was looking for the short at that moment was because this move up was pretty strong, so I could have expected a 50% pullback, which was around this area of the POC during London session. So that could have been a very good target. In fact, after this candle, I waited a bit, I shorted. I had a large stop which could have been refined up on the upper end of this zone. I was in profit quite a bit. This was almost my target. I moved my target lower, and that was a mistake, but eventually I took a contract off a micro down here, and then the rest I ended up getting stopped out at stop profit. It wasn't the best trade. The setup was clear, but I didn't have the courage to put more size on the trade. After seeing this, I ended up getting stopped out. The stop profit price reached the 50% of this leg up, reached the POC, so I could have expected a long position down there, and I extended this zone. These zones helped me to better understand the entries, the stop loss placement, and all those sort of things. In fact, as soon as I saw this zone getting breached again, I waited for a pullback, I took a long position, and I ended up getting stopped out. Price ended up making a double bottom, and then after seeing this bull bar, I anticipated the breach of the zone. I entered on a long position here, and this was my mistake because price ended up reaching my take profit level, which was this previous high. But my mistake was of putting stop profit too near the actual price level. In fact, I ended up getting stopped out here. That was a mistake, and here we had the same setup. As soon as I saw this high getting breached again by a strong bull bar, I marked up the zone again, because potentially, what could we see? Price coming back to the zone, signal bar, and we take the entry. After seeing this strong leg up, price reached again a previous area of interest, which was the POC on the previous New York session. Price reached it, ranged a bit, came again on this zone. I never recommend to enter on a limit order on those zones if you want to backtest this, but I do recommend to wait for a confirmation, a candle that signals you the urgency to go through one direction. I had this price made this good bull bar, but I was waiting. After seeing this double bottom, this micro double bottom, and another good bull bar, I took my long position. My stop was pretty tight. I think even smaller than this. The target again were those highs. Took a partial firstly, and then I moved stop loss here. I ended up getting stopped out again on the upper side with a 2-hour trade, and I was happy. But as we can see, After this trade, I called it a day. As we can see, price reached again this area. Here was a bit different, not so clear as on this setup, but we can see that from this zone price reached again, continuing to move higher, to push higher. So those were the trades that I took during my live stream. I hope you enjoyed the video. I do recommend to you to come and if you want to see my live trade, we can trade together, we have fun. And that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Take care.